Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart, part of the Cox Motor Group, along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And what we've got for you today, on a bit of a windy day, is the 2014 BMW 330d M Sport GT. 3-litre diesel. This is a 5-door hatch, 8-speed auto, and it is a lovely motor. There's loads of spec on this. It's a great car, excellent colour, so nice tints. And this is a great deal. There's loads of spec on this car. If you want to go and have a look, that's fine. Just as a few pointers, we have got the adjustable memory seats. It also comes with a media pack. The M Sport suspension, and the Xenon Headlights. Like I say, it's a great car. If you want to come and have a look at it, that's great, that's fine. We'd be more than happy to come and show you around, or you can take a virtual tour of a video tailored to what you want to have a look at. Go online. Automatic tailgate. But what this motor has got, if we just show you this, just in here we have the electric tow bar. Again, it's a great deal. It's got loads of extras on this, which is a very smart. That pops away under the car. It's lovely. Pop this back on for now. Again, great vehicle. Like I say, come down and have a look at it. Take it for a run, or go online and have a look, see what you think. Again, if you want a virtual tour, that's not a problem. Just give one of the guys a shout. Get in contact with us. We're more than happy to go through it with you, and if there's anything specific you want to have a look at, again, that's not a problem. Won't be surprised if this doesn't stay on the full coat for long, to be honest. Okay, thanks guys. Again, come and see us. Automart Lancaster. See you soon.